Artificial intelligence is changing the world. It's not just a tool, it's becoming an integral part of our daily lives. We use it every day, often without even realizing it. From voice assistants that help us manage our schedules to recommendation algorithms that suggest what we might like to watch or buy. But the future of AI is even bigger. The advancements we see today are just the beginning of what's possible. Imagine a computer that can think like a human, not just processing data, but understanding, reasoning, and making decisions. That is the goal of X.AI Grok 2. This isn't just another AI model, it's a leap towards creating machines that can truly think. Grok 2 is more than just a language model. It's designed to understand context, nuance, and the subtleties of human communication. It is a thinking machine. It can solve problems, learn new things, and even be creative. Imagine an AI that can write a novel, compose music, or invent new technologies. Grok 2 is a major step forward in the AI revolution. It represents a new era where machines can collaborate with humans in unprecedented ways. This technology has the potential to change everything. From healthcare to education, from business to entertainment, the possibilities are endless. From the way we work, making our jobs more efficient and opening up new opportunities, to the way we live our lives, making everyday tasks easier and more enjoyable. Grok 2 is a glimpse into the future of intelligence. It's not just about making smarter machines, it's about enhancing human potential and creating a better world for all of us. Elon Musk is a visionary entrepreneur, known for his ambitious and often groundbreaking ventures. He is the driving force behind Tesla, revolutionizing the electric vehicle industry, and SpaceX, which aims to make space travel more accessible and affordable. Now, Musk is turning his attention to artificial intelligence with his latest venture, X.AI, a company dedicated to advancing AI technology. Musk believes that AI has the potential to be both incredibly beneficial and extremely dangerous depending on how it is developed and used.
To create Grok 2, a state-of-the-art AI system, X.AI has partnered with Nvidia, a leader in computer chip technology. Nvidia is renowned for producing the most powerful computer chips in the world, which are essential for high-performance computing. Grok 2 is powered by an impressive array of 24,000 Nvidia H100 chips, making it one of the most powerful AI systems ever created. These advanced chips enable Grok 2 to process vast amounts of information at an incredible speed, pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve.
Building a home for Grok 2 is a huge task. X.AI is building a massive data center. It will house 100,000 H100 chips. This data center will be one of the most powerful computing facilities ever built.
The data center is being built quickly. Speed is important in the race to develop advanced AI. X.AI is competing with other tech giants like Google and Microsoft.
Section 4, Grok gets smarter. Grok 2 is more than just a powerful computer. It has advanced capabilities that make it seem like a thinking machine.
One key feature is enhanced reasoning and memory. Grok 2 can understand and remember complex information.
This allows it to learn from its experiences. It can solve problems that are too difficult for humans. Grok 2 is constantly learning and improving. Section 5, Beyond Words and Pictures. Grok 2 is multimodal. This means it can understand different types of information. It can process text, images, and even sounds.
This makes Grok 2 more versatile than other AI models. For example, Grok 2 can watch a video and understand what is happening. It can also read a book and answer questions about it.
This ability to learn from different sources makes Grok 2 incredibly powerful. Section 6, The Future of Thinking. As we delve into the possibilities that lie ahead, we find ourselves on the brink of a new era. An era where technology and human cognition merge seamlessly. Grok 2 is still under development, but it has the potential to revolutionize many industries. It could be used in healthcare, finance, and education. Imagine doctors diagnosing diseases with unprecedented accuracy, financial analysts predicting market trends with incredible precision, and educators personalizing learning experiences for every student. The possibilities are endless.
Grok 2 is a major milestone in the development of artificial intelligence. It is a reminder of the incredible progress being made in AI. The future of thinking is here, and it is exciting. This technology represents a leap forward, not just in terms of computational power, but in how we understand and interact with the world around us.
Indeed, the future of thinking is here, and it is exciting. As we embrace these advancements, we must also consider the ethical implications and ensure that this technology benefits all of humanity. The journey ahead is filled with promise and potential, and it is up to us to shape it wisely.